This week is going to be fun but very fast. We are digging our footers, we're laying the steel and all the gravel, and on top of that we are also laying all the plumbing, all the pressure lines, some electrical lines, all that stuff that goes into the slab before the concrete is poured. And we're also getting the footings inspected. I'm not sure what that is, a footing. So my name is Mike, welcome to Building a Farmhouse series. We have the plumbing going down.
Well, we can, I can actually just shift it down about right here. We can roll it underneath the cabinet. Just roll it up underneath the sink, just shut off for it.
Yeah.
So that's where I'll put it.
That'll be perfect. And then yeah, everything else is straight off the plan.
We can go ahead and set the wire for the stack, and then right past it, and then we'll come up and take over to that.
I'm just catch it there and catch it here.
There's probably gonna be a gray beam going along that wall. So instead of running along the gray beam, we'll step down below it and then run back up to it.
Okay.
I'm getting it ready for y'all to pour, and then our rough guys, they'll come in, stand some walls up, and then our rough guys will come in and
cool.
Get everything ready for sheetrock and tile. As far as water rolling in, he said the well's up that way.
Yeah, the red house up there.
So what do you think, somewhere? So right outside the doorway, we're doing the tankless first, and then your AC units?
Yeah.
I got you.
So yeah, we can bring the water in on this wall.
Okay.
Somewhere. The washer and dryer will be here. And then there'll be nothing here besides just the windows and shelves.
And y'all are deleting this window above the kitchen sink?
Well, there'll still be a window there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it'll just be, we have like a vintage window we're doing.
Okay, yeah, we should be all right then. That covers pretty much everything.
Yeah. These guys are rocking and rolling. We had to make a couple of changes so far, and that's pretty much it. It's been straightforward. We moved the bulkhead, which I didn't even realize this was a thing until one of the plumbers luckily mentioned something to me about it. The bulkhead was coming down on the very end of the stairs landing from the second floor. It comes down, all your drains go to one bulkhead, which is a 4-inch pipe, and drops down one of the walls. Well, where that pipe dropped down was at the very last step on our staircase, and on our plans it has a cased opening, so you actually walk around a little wall and go up the stairs. Well, we are wanting to take about 4 feet out of that wall to where the bottom 3 or 4 stairs will be exposed with like a black iron handrail. So luckily we caught that. We had to set that back about midway in the staircase coming down, so that will allow us to keep that wall open. So we picked the locations around the house where we wanted water spigots on the outside. That's pretty straightforward as well. But yeah, a bunch of stuff you don't realize, and luckily so far all our subs have been, you know, super informative, and they've all been okay with us filming. If you're a contractor and you happen to be watching this, leave a comment below. Am I like the super annoying homeowner right now? Because it's definitely awkward. Filming in front of people is definitely awkward. So I ask them before I start filming, I'm like, hey, do y'all mind me filming? You know, we have a very small little YouTube channel, so would you mind being on the camera? So far, all of them have been like, yeah, that's awesome, man. We'll have to see the link and see the video. You know, because I think everybody likes to see their work, especially in progress, and you know, being able to see it from start to finish is not often as a contractor or a builder or you know, anything like that. you get that because you're usually always so busy, you know, doing the actual work. So all of them have been kind of appreciative so far and are interested in seeing the episodes. So, well, there it is. The rough plumbing is pretty much laid out. They said they're going to finish up today, and then they'll have to fill it up with water and call the inspector. Inspector will come out, check it off, and make sure there's no leaks. And then after that, I believe the concrete will get prepped for pour, and that includes like gravel, digging the footings, rebar, etc. So awesome, we are rocking and rolling. So that completes all the plumbing. The plumbers kind of snuck up on me and they were super fast, so I didn't get a whole lot of chances to film them actually putting in the pressure line. And I'm not sure if that's the exact term, but I say pressure line meaning the, you know, your fresh water, your water coming into your house. So a lot of the footage I got was them setting up the drain system. Then they finished the drain system, and then they set up your pressure line, which is the blue and red pipe. Obviously, we're running PEX, and the red PEX is hot water, and the blue PEX is cold water, obviously. So that is mainly ran under the slab, and I didn't realize they ran that much under the slab. I thought a lot of it was in the walls. But apparently they run as much in the slab as they possibly can, and then they kind of cross through the walls where they can reach you know, different places, like going from the back of the master bathroom. They'll take it around the wall to get to the wash machine. So now that the plumbing's all finished, we have the concrete guys lined back up. They're gonna come back out and do the final gravel, dig the footers for all that, lay the rebar. Scared me, dude. I thought you were jumping off the tailgate. Look, say hi.
Hi.
So the concrete guys will be back out. Like I said, they'll lay all the rebar in there, wrap it around, get it 100% ready to pour now that the plumbing is done. All right, so we got the inspector coming in the morning for the foundations for the concrete before we pour to get it checked off. These guys have been busting butt, so we brought them a little refreshment. Cerveza! Hey, keep it square though. Only uno cerveza until we're square. All right? Gracias. Think so?
No, it's not planet. Planet Earth? Yeah. We're on planet Earth. Yeah, we're on planet Earth. No, we're on planet Earth, Walter. That's just clouds. Oh.
Yeah.
Looks like.
Concrete is ready to pour. Those guys busted butt and finished everything up, and everything looks great. Let me flip you guys around and walk you through Since I didn't get a whole lot of footage of when the plumbing was done, let me walk you through and point out exactly kind of what everything is. You can see the footers were dug out right here. I think these are about 24 by 18 or 20 deep per plan. It's all laid out in the plan, so they dug them to that. They have the rebar wrapped around there, and once they actually go to pour the concrete, they'll actually elevate a lot of this rebar and put hangers on it. And you can see they lay this wire out right here with your gravel and plastic. There's the footer for the chimney. It wraps around and then it kicks out back there. All these white stubs sticking up, that is all your drain plumbing. And then you'll see all the blue and the red water pipes sticking up. That is all your water pressurized, you know, your pressurized water coming in. And everywhere there's a load bearing wall or like the staircase or anything like that, there is more footers dug. So you can see right here, this is like kind of the main wall dividing the house. And then this other load bearing wall right here divides the master bedroom, master bathroom over here, laundry room right there, I think, bedroom number 4. Right here is a staircase going up, and then there's a full bath, and then your kitchen is this whole corner right here with your dining room, back porch, all that good stuff. Let's see, right here you can see this is the bulkhead I was talking about earlier. Right there we had to move because they had it sitting about right there, which would only leave about maybe like a 40-inch opening to walk through into the hallway going back to the laundry room. We'll be able to have a 6-foot case opening and then probably 3 stair treads exposed. So that worked out pretty good. The pressure line is coming right there. You can see that up. That'll be coming from the well house back here. And then it'll go in, and then our propane tank will be buried back here. So everything worked out and laid out perfect. We're super excited. And you know, it was pretty cool. A lot of this stuff was new to me. I've seen houses getting built before, but it's always different when you actually see one like firsthand. So this has been super exciting for me. I know a lot of people say it's stressful, but man, I've been loving this. All right, and I almost forgot, there's the house, and the driveway will be right here. So we'll actually pull up and we can like park right here, and it's 43 feet, and then the 3-car garage will be right here. So if you can imagine, the driveway will kind of tee up like this, facing the garage, and the driveway to the house will be right there.
Today is a very important day because we have the concrete trucks coming to pour the foundation for the shop and for the house. So unfortunately Mike is at work today, so you have me in charge of filming today. So bear with me as Mike is the pro, and I'm going to try my very, very best to get all of the footage that I need and to show you guys the process. So stick with me, here we go.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go
You excited?
Yeah.
So I think Marilla did an awesome job getting all that footage.
I know, I did so
Yeah.
good.
What do you guys think? The footage came out great. This is the next day. The slab is done. It's cured. We can walk on it, and it came out completely awesome. Nothing obvious has jumped out at us so far. So everything looks incredible. Smooth. Corners look good. The lines look good. All the plumbing, it's, you know, where it's supposed to be. So, you excited?
Yes, it looks good. The crew did such an awesome job yesterday. It was really cool watching them do it. And it's like unbelievably smooth compared to what I saw yesterday.
I know, it's like,
You know?
and at first, for a minute, we were thinking about leaving polishing the concrete floors. But I think we're gonna end up going with white oak. But you could polish these. It came out so good. No cracks or anything.
Oh, Mommy.
What do you think, Walter?
Looks great.
How's it look?
We need to get him a t-shirt
Looks great.
that just says "looks great" on it.
A Walter t-shirt says look great. Looks great.
Looks great.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Here's the island.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.